Hello everyone, this is Chetan, equity sales intern at inSAKE. I am currently pursuing MBA Business Finance domain from the School of Economics, BAV. As it comes to the end of this internship, I would like to thank Mr. Sai Sethi sir and inSAKE Solution guiding us and mentoring us throughout the internship. I read the subject where a lot of students lack a lot. I am very thankful to inSAKE Solutions for this opportunity. In this internship, I learned a lot and implementing all my learnings in the project. Prior to this internship, I have no idea about equity research, how to prepare equity research report, financial modeling, technical analysis, industry analysis, etc. But due to this internship, I completed many projects on these topics. It is not possible without the guidance and without the guidance of inSAKE Academy and Sai Sethi sir. I am also thanks to all HRs who is always available to help us throughout the internship. Thank you for great experience and great planning. Thank you.